She's a real pretty girl, you know. Pretty girls have to take care of the mother when they can't go on. You want me dead, daughter?
Oh, I feel. I want it.
Hey, girl! No let me hear chat that shit in your say, hear? Me don't want to hear it. I pick a nice dress for you. Nice. Birthday smile. He go try it on.
No! Mommy! You're not supposed to do this to me. I am a child. Mommy, you can't do this to me. Not this. Mommy, not this.
Go and put on fucking dress, little whore!
Mommy, no!
You just shout at me. She just shout at me. Just shout at me. You shame? You shame so the pity them have to look when you take up back to school. You shame on the work what you need for somebody. Look, you know what? Go put on a dress, go put it on. Me can't get no work. And I mean, I better take care of you when your father come pussy for me. So you go there go take care of this house. What you shame? What you could have possibly shame about? You are not so mad deep feel shame. You are nothing but a fresh pussy girl. What you shame? Now when the girl come in your school don't lose their virginity already. Somebody know where I'm going. Sometimes you want so far. Oh, you're shame. Nothing wrong with making money, you know. Nothing.
I shame on you.
Hey, girl.
Everybody know about you and your house.
You shame on me because I like girls. Well, I don't like you. Who the rather make the man them fuck the place?
What's the matter?
For one side, get the money. Don't make me get
That is who you see me, mommy. As a little whore. You don't love me. You show some fear, me money off of. Mommy, I am your child.
and I can do whatever I want to do you. No. You bring a liquor, right? Right up, sir! You know Mr. Sammy? Mr. Sammy, the taxi man, he never passed through your son. don't want this. Not this. I'm not going to sell myself for you. Do it your fucking self. Or find one of them girls that you like. Not me. I'm your child. You're ungrateful bitch.
Good night to my address.
You're waking up on me. Which part of them? Which part of them lives with them for you keep me? And we hard and ask the 4th of August. I know them little girls like you up there in a pretty dark car. Trust me. Nobody know why you. You lucky someone me you want. So give me the rough clap like that. Daughter, I'm doing this for you, you know.
Really?
Fall. And the only way to get me you want. Stretch your legs. The world not meant for black women unless them legs open. Get up off of the ground. As soon as 6 o'clock, Mr. Sammy